Hoy, hindi kita crush ha.
Ibigay ka rin sooner or later.
Mother. Enzo, listen. I'm sorry I misled you. And I'm really sorry that this had to happen. I think it's best that we don't see each other anymore.
Iwan na ako.
Pupunta akong birthday to finish my master's degree. Look, Enzo, you're a sweet boy, pero wala talagang pwedeng mangyari between us. I'm too young to be a cougar, no?
Gusto po kayo.
Someday, may kilala mo rin siya. Yung girl na para talaga sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang tandaan that I believe in you. Your mom and me. We both know that you can do great things. Kailangan mo lang maniwala sa sarili mo at sa abilidad mo. No one else can push you to do your best except yourself. Good luck, Enzo. I'm sure you'll be someone else's hero.
Hindi sa darating. Okay lang yan. George! George, dali na. George! Pwede pa natin balik na sa dati. Kung paano tayo noon?
Paano? May Chloe ka na, diba?
Nagkamali ako, George. Akala ko siya na. Akala ko siya na 18 girl para sa akin. Ang tanga-tanga ko. Ang bulat-bulat ko.
Oo. Tama ka. Bulag ka na nga. Tama ka pa.
Lahat ibibigay sa'yo. Walang alinlang. Sana bigyan mo pati. Ang puso ko ito. Kaya talagang ko lang pinagmamahal. Sana pinag-inaw kita para sa babaeng mahal ko. Hindi para kay Chloe. Para sa'yo, Georgie. Ikaw ang sinasabi ko. Ikaw lang. Wala na, diba? Aray ko, ewan ko sa'yo. Naranto ka ba?
Chloe. Have you seen Chloe? Chloe? Hindi. Kuya mo. Kanina, kausap nila Ashley. Thank you. Ashley. Kirsten. Nice friend. Baka mo na there.
Dumating ka.
Gumamit ko niyan. Alam ko kasi bridge fee, right?
Yeah.
So, late yata ako. I'm supposed to be singing here kasi, do you know where the backstage?
Samahan na kita. Kara! Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ikaw yun, Luigi.
Pero sabi mo, super girl.
Oh!
Kailan mo pa nalaman?
Naalala ko yun yung may laptop sa computer shop. Hindi na mabuksan.
Oh!
Password. ILY. Kara.
ILY? Ano sabi mo?
ILY.
SLPN.
SR.
What language is that? Is that even English?
Alam mo, diretso mo na kape. Mahal kita.
Ano?
Mahal kita, Kara.
Kenya.
Good evening, everyone.
We would like to welcome our guest tonight on behalf of the student council.
Please welcome Julie Ann.
Alam mo, George? Ito, ngayon, sigat ka na dahil sa ako. Ako na lang sa mula sa ginawa niyo.
Hey, ma'am. Ano ba?
And look, it's sad to say for you.
Seeing everyone is you with a happy face. Make me smile through it, make me forget the face. The time when everyone would hate to appreciate. It wasn't easy, it wasn't a piece of cake. Through the hard work years of fascinated. Never felt this way before, I feel sedated. Not the charm, but I'm thankful for what you created. I'm very lucky cause it seems like we were fated. Last word, I'll say it one more time. Lucky that I'm yours and I'm lucky that you're mine. I'm doing whatever, even a master smile. I know the day is time, and it's so many times. So lahat kami witness sa Amical. And in the end, na-realize namin that growing up is not about being popular. It is discovering who you really are and starting to be the best that you could be.